How to unlock your Instagram account. Step-by-step guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unlock your Instagram account if it is locked due to suspicious activity. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app. If your account has been locked, you'll usually see a message saying suspicious activity detected. Now, follow the on-screen instructions. Instagram will ask you to verify your identity. You may receive a security code on your registered email address or phone number. Enter the code correctly to continue. In some cases, Instagram might also ask you to confirm your identity, change your password, or verify login activity. If you're asked to reset your password, create a strong and secure password that you haven't used before. After completing all the steps, your account should be unlocked. Quick tips. Avoid using third-party apps. Don't log in from multiple devices at the same time, and always keep your email and phone number updated. If you still can't access your account, tap on Need More Help and follow the recovery process. And that's it. That's how you can unlock your Instagram account quickly and safely. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.